Okay, so today I'll show you how you can install any of our script using just cPanel in 3 easy steps. In general, to install the script, you need to first upload the files, then you need to create a database, and finally you need to run the setup. So I'll proceed with uploading the files. To do that, I select File Manager in cPanel and I click on File Manager. It will open a new window in which I can see the files. For this test, I'll install the script in a folder called test, but you can install it in any folder, including the main one, etc. Here, I'll click on upload to upload the zip file we provided. This is something interesting for cPanels, that you don't need actually to upload all the files one by one or to use FTP. You can just use the cPanel file upload feature and upload directly the zip file, and then simply use the zip extract tool in cPanel. So in this way, you'll upload just one file, but when extracted, you'll have all the files for the website already uploaded. So here the file upload has completed, and I'm going back to the cPanel folder. This is my file. This is the zip file, and as I already told you, we just need to select this file, click on extract, and this will unzip the file and create me the folder. Well, it didn't refresh the file, the files folder, but if you go here, you'll see the carport folder. So with this completed, we already have the files uploaded on the website. Now we need to create a new database. To do that, in cPanel, I'll go to the MySQL databases tag. Here we need to enter some database name. I'll enter test. You could enter whatever name you prefer. Well, you tell me the test already exists, so I'll enter some name test2. Going back, then you need to create also some MySQL user. I'll enter again test2 with some password, but again you could choose any username you prefer and any password. I click on create user. We have also the MySQL user ready, and the final step here, well, very often our customers miss this step, but it's just the cPanel is done this way, that after you create the database and the user, you need to give permissions for this user to access the database. So you can do this from this little form on the MySQL databases tab called Add User to Database. So here I select my user, I select my database, and I click on Add. And on the screen, I just click on All Permissions and I click Make Changes, and that's it. I mean, with this done, we have the database, we have our user, and it has all permissions. And now we are good to go, and we can open the setup. The link to the setup is usually your domain/admin/setup.php, and you can also see this address in the file with the download information we provided. Now, the setup has just two simple steps. The first one is showing the welcome screen with the end user license agreement. So after you read it, you can check this checkbox and then click on continue. On the next screen, it will ask us for the database username and password. So you might just enter here the username for the MySQL database you have created and the password. Click on continue. On the next screen, it will ask if you would like to use an existing database or create a new one, but we already created our database, so we could just select database and click on continue. Okay, and that's it. I mean, after we select the database and click on continue, the installer will install for us the database, will create the configuration file, and it will redirect me to the website main folder. So these few simple steps, we already have the script installed, and we already have the script up and running. So we can now start customizing it, start using the admin panel, etc. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget that if you prefer that our team do the installation for you, it's a free service that we offer, so it's just necessary to contact us and we'll do it as soon as possible for you. Thanks again.